Apex Pumps design and manufacture industrial centrifugal pumps for all kinds of industrial applications. We've been making pumps in Bristol since 1988 and we're proud of our British heritage. We had done some digital transformation, setting up a new ERP system, but we engaged with the Made Smarter initiative to try and see what else we could do. So the National Composite Centre came in and broke apart what we did bit by bit, which was really interesting to see step by step kind of what we're doing. And then they kind of did fact finding and then took that away and came back with some suggestions. They recommended that we take up a grant to take on the selection software, also the internship with a UE student to help accelerate the design changes, and also the opportunity of the course. We used the grant for a selection software, so something that we can use to select the pumps. We were aware of other systems and had tried to use other systems in the past, but like lots of IT projects, we hadn't really been successful. So the sort of inputs of the Made Smarter project helped us to sort of select the right program. The old system, as identified by the NCC, was really inefficient. We were using different platforms like Excel and emails, and it was sort of a very long-winded process. So every quote we now do is more streamlined and quicker. We're not having to sort of manually edit each pump curve. The training program was a really good opportunity to get out of the business and learn some new things about what's out there, how you can use them. Each session had a slightly different focus with a wide range of different subject matters, from sort of accounting, digital transformation, Industry 4.0. The course takes you through lots of different possibilities and sort of opens your eyes to new technologies that you wouldn't possibly think of. The NCC were able to recommend that having an intern was available. The student intern undertook some digitisation of some of our current designs, converting them into 3D CAD. The internship was supervised by one of the lecturers in the engineering department, who came in regularly to sort of keep up to date with how the intern was getting on, suggesting different methods for how they sort of tackle the design problem that we'd put in front of them. It gave our engineering team some focus for that project, with somebody coming in fresh, taking a new perspective on what we were doing and what they had to do, and it's really accelerated that project that otherwise would have taken probably another year for us to complete. IT change is quite scary and can really affect your business, so you want to be sure you're making the right decision, and Made Smarter gives you the confidence that you are making that decision.